Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing a beautiful and budget-friendly DIY. I'm making decoupage Easter eggs. Okay guys, so you will need only a few simple supplies that you can get at the dollar store. So here I have my eggs, and these are plastic. You can use wooden or foam eggs. I really loved it that these were bigger than the regular size eggs. They were about 3.5 inches in length. So I have my foam brushes. A regular paintbrush can also work, and I have my Mod Podge. This is the matte Mod Podge. And I have my napkins. These are dinner napkins and they are an Amalfi print. And I thought it would be great for spring going into Easter because of the vibrant yellow and blue design. So first, we're going to take our decorative napkin and we're going to separate the layers. So most napkins have 2 to 3 layers. We only want the top printed layer. If you use all the layers, the paper would be too thick and stiff, and then you won't achieve that painted on look. If you don't have napkins, tissue paper and crepe paper are also great options to use. This napkin, guys, was also a great quality because after removing the 2 layers, the pattern was still very bright and bold. Now I'm going to tear out the design I want to use. You could also cut out your design, but tearing will give you a softer blended look. Okay, so now while the egg is still dry, I'm just going to put my napkin on here to see how I want to position it on the egg. You would also want to check for orientation if your design has specifics in regards to top or bottom. Now I'm going to take my egg and apply a thin layer of Mod Podge. Next, I'll be adding my napkin piece, and the egg is curved so it's easier to work in small sections. Now I'll be using a piece of plastic wrap to help to smooth it out. It also helps to get rid of the wrinkles. If you do get some wrinkles, don't panic. The design is normally enough to hide the wrinkles, and you won't even see them. It's still going to turn out great. To seal this in place, I'm just going to add another layer of Mod Podge on top. Just look at this, guys. How great is this looking already? I'm going to be repeating the process until the egg is fully covered. And guys, just a little reminder to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And just a little tip for you guys, if your eggs are dark, you can paint them white first, just to make sure the napkin design really pops. So guys, this can also be a very fun Easter activity for kids. It's just a different way of decorating your Easter eggs. You can choose or mix patterns that will give that Easter vibe, such as florals, pastel patterns, or bunny prints. So once you're done, guys, and your eggs are dried, you can add extra details such as glitter or sparkles or ribbon, twine, even flowers. And then you can display them in a bowl or a basket, or you can use them as part of a spring Easter tablescape, or you could even display them on a tiered tray. So I've done all 4 eggs and I'm going to leave them in the carton like this to dry. So there you have it, guys. It's super easy, super affordable, and absolutely beautiful for spring and Easter. So let me know how you would use these eggs and let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.